A massive tech failure has caused global chaos. In a stunning turn of events, a major technology failure linked to a faulty update from cybersecurity firm CrowdStrike has disrupted operations worldwide. Major airlines like Delta, American, and United were hit hard, with flights grounded and delays piling up. Airports had to resort to manual check-in processes, causing even more chaos. Emergency services weren't spared either. In some areas, police and ambulance dispatches had to be done manually, a throwback to pre-digital times. Businesses, banks, and even healthcare systems felt the impact, showcasing just how critical our tech infrastructure is. CrowdStrike has acknowledged the issue and implemented a fix, assuring customers that this wasn't a security breach. However, this incident highlights the precarious nature of our reliance on technology and the potential for widespread disruption when things go wrong. Like, comment, and subscribe for more 2-minute news stories.